Okay, everyone, we are on page 160, and we're looking at a fun topic, 12-bar blues. And you've all been hearing 12-bar blues all your life, whether you knew it or not. And what it is literally 12 bars or 12 measures with a really specific chordal pattern to it. So the pattern is at the top of this page, and you can see it's this is like one whole measure of a 1 chord, measure of a 4 chord, and 1 chord, 1 chord. That's 4 bars. Then 5, 6, 7, and 8 measures are 4, 4, 1, 1. And then the last group of 4 measures is where you pack a punch. It has the 5 chord, the only time you see the 5 chord, and then it goes down backwards to 4 and then back down to 1. So where is this kind of music, this pattern used? Well, obviously it's used in the blues because it's called 12-bar blues, but you also heard in a lot of rock and roll music. Country music uses it all the time. A lot of gospel music uses it, bluegrass, folk music, all of these use this pattern. And if there are lyrics, which usually there are, the iconic way that we use it is 3 lines to match these 3 phrases. So each group of 4 measures with this chord change pattern equals 1 phrase. And usually, like here's an example in the book, Crossroads, went down to the crossroad, fell down on my knees. And then you do the next phrase, went down on the crossroad, fell down on my knees. But it sounds different because you're using the 4 chord there. And then when you're doing that 3rd phrase, the words almost always change. Instead of repeating them like you did on the 2nd phrase, you sort of resolve the problem that you set up. And in this one it says, ask the Lord for mercy, ask the Lord above for mercy, take me if you please. So this is called, like music theorists call it conflict resolution. So let's take a look at page 161. Don Adkins, our orchestra director, wrote a little fun baby blues which uses the 12-bar blues. And the left hand is just on a low C. And you're just going to do a 5th and a 6th. And it's in compound meter. Notice we're in 12/8. So left hand starts on beat 1, 1, 2, 3, and rest. And then it goes to the 4 chord. So that's F, and rest, and back to 1. And stay on the 1, do it again. Good, okay, that's the 1st phrase. Now 4 chord, 2nd phrase, 4 chord, stay on the 4, so 2 in a row, and then 1 chord, 2 in a row. Okay, now here we go. Only time we're going to get the 5 chord. Here it is. Walk it down to the 4 and back to the 1. And then he throws in a little B flat, so you can put the pedal down and kind of do what we call a tremolo, shake back and forth between those notes. Okay, and meanwhile the right has all the fun melody. So I'm just going to play all of it. You can pick which hand you want to do. Right hand has a lot of half steps because it has the blues scale, but it's not that hard, and all the fingering's in there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. For 2 bars. Okay, have fun with it.